Hey, you may wonder, is that all I'm going to have for breakfast? I think it is. This honey is so filling, along with the peanut butter and the toast and just a little bit of coffee. That's all I'm going to have. I've only had a little bit. Granted, I am working and I don't get as hungry as I'm working, but that's all you need for breakfast sometimes. Yeah, I was going to have some steel cut oats this morning. That stuff is yummy too, by the way, but I don't think I can. I'm just going to have this and away I go.
Stop by, complete an application.
Hey, the radio is your friend. I got that set up. I've got a fan. Oops. I got a fan set up right here. And I'm working back here and I'm letting this dry. Or I've just sprayed some more cleaner on there. And it's coming out pretty good. It's taken me a while. I need to have a break. And you know what? I found out. This cleaner that I'm using, next time when I get done spraying this, I'm going to put more of that concentrate in and it's going to be stronger this next time. Remember? I'm using that stuff right there. I'm going to put like maybe an ounce or so in here. The other time I only had it about full to there. I'm probably going to go up to there and only put about this much water in it, and that's going to make it even stronger. Stick around, there's more I want to show you.